dresses. Like I'm doing a rainbow dress, and she's
And this
doing
is part 2.
yeah, and she's doing what kind of dress are you doing? I'm doing a rainbow
dress.
I'm doing rainbow too. Okay. I'm gonna make a little dress. Do you need orange? Or no?
Yeah.
Oh, I need orange too. Here. Hope this fits my Barbie. It's me and her sharing. I want this to be perfect. Sorry, that was a toy because Moana's singing. Let me cut some Play-Doh. Do you have the knife? No, never mind. So today we're going to make big dresses.
And I'm making big dresses. Oh, that's not a rainbow dress.
I'm doing it. I'm just giving you some Play-Doh if you need to. And I'm gonna put some yellow. Where's yellow? Do you have yellow, Brianna?
No.
Wait,
But I have green.
let me try to find it. Oh, I almost stepped in the Play-Doh. I'm just gonna pick up the Play-Doh.
Your.
Why me? There. The blue Play-Doh. So we're gonna open this white Play-Doh. And maybe it has something inside. Let's see if us. Oh, it's only white. Do you need white?
No.
Okay, then just put it back. Okay, let me try to find white. Yellow.
This is a problem, Mom. I can't stick them out.
How can we? I need more. Oh, there it is.
Oh, just put it like this.
Look,
I
this is
color
yellow for
other
you.
toy.
That's yellow for
I
you.
color other toy, not rainbow. Just regular.
Like a regular dress.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I need yellow. Oh, never mind. Never mind, Brianna.
Dresses. I will make a skirt for her. And make a dress for her.
Oh my god, my dress looks like a Halloween. If I take off this and I put white, it looks like a Halloween, right? Like those candy corns.
I look pretty.
Do you have green? Thanks. I like green because green is squishy.
I don't like green anymore. I like pink.
So it's pink always. I thought you liked the blue character, remember? Remember? Now you like the pink one?
I think
Sugar baby?
no.
What? We're just talking about my grandma. Where's purple? Oops. Okay, I need to grab the purple. Hope this one's purple.
Did I wear dress?
Yes. It looks like a banana dress.
You're mean.
Sorry.
It doesn't look like them.
What does it look like then?
It doesn't look like them.
It looks like a emoji dress.
Yeah.
What the heck? Who makes this color?
I don't know.
Was this Alexia's Pokemon?
And
Because I saw
I
Alexia.
remember we mixed it.
Yeah, we don't mix it anymore.
I remember
Dada,
who
do you have
mixed it.
do you have purple?
A girl that stole your toy.
I already made purple.
I know who did it. A girl that stole your toy. It was a new, it was an old one, but
Dada, do you have purple?
remember that girl stole.
Oh, I'm just
the
gonna use a
toy.
little bit because I can't find more purple.
Where are you, Purple? Tell me where. I'll sneak over you. Here's Purple.
Oh, thanks. I
Here, maybe
really need it.